Hey everybody. So this video here is going to be discussing how bones are formed, specifically intramembranous ossification. So there's going to be two different videos on the two different ways that our bones are actually going to form. So it depends on what kind of bones we're talking about. In this case, we're going to be talking about intramembranous ossification, which is future flat bones. All right. So how does this process begin? What's going on here? Intramembranous ossification is going to occur within a membrane of soft tissue where we're going to see the bone eventually develop. So, in this process, these cells are going to differentiate into osteogenic cells as well as blastocytes, so cells that are going to turn into the future osteoblasts, osteocytes, and osteoclasts within that tissue. Not only that, we're also going to have trabeculae, which are going to form in this area. And again, trabeculae are going to be those connective tissues found within the bones that help give it structure as well as some strength, right? So it gives it the structure so that the bones can ossify around it, which in turn give it the strength that it needs. So that said, these osteoblasts are going to form these trabeculae and lay down that organic matrix of all the materials needed in order to make the bone and deposit calcium phosphates within it. In doing so, those calcium phosphates, amongst other minerals, are going to harden up, and those osteoblasts are going to be trapped within that matrix. In doing so, the new osteocytes that are going to develop from it, so remember, osteoblasts are the baby cells, the ones that are now developing and growing, they turn into osteocytes, which are the bone cells, osteocytes. They're going to be trapped within the bone matrix, just as we discussed earlier. So it's because of this method of bone forming. So with that said, this is intramembranous ossification, and again, this is flat bones. If you want to watch a video that talks about this in a little more detail, as well as show some animations, you're more than welcome to, and there's a link right here where it says bone formation to see one of those videos. If you have any questions, let me know.